Hi, I'm Dr. Shawna D'dharan and I'm an associate dentist at Elite Dental Group. Today I'll be answering one of the most common questions that patient asks us, and is airflow or GBT painful? Airflow is one of the processes in the GBT 8-step protocol. Now, airflow uses a spray of water with a special powder to remove the plaque or the biofilm in the mouth, as well as some of the young soft calculus. Airflow is safe and effective in removing stains and biofilm around your natural teeth, around restorations, which are fillings, crowns, veneers, and implants. The great thing about airflow is that it cleans and polishes your teeth in one step. And it is non-abrasive and minimally invasive. Airflow preserves the integrity of your natural tooth, restorations that has been done in your mouth, implants, as well as your soft tissues. It is great to note that airflow is a pain-free procedure and it's very comfortable for patients. Most patients who tend to feel sensitivity or a lot of discomfort during their routine scaling and polishing procedures love airflow therapy because it makes them feel really good.